Today I'll be answering what happened to Franklin Templeton Debt Mutual Fund, the six of the debt mutual funds which are operating in India. Like because of the COVID-19 situation and the liquidity crisis, the management thought that they cannot handle these six funds, and it was for their best interest to seize or end the mutual fund. It was for the best interest only, but investors are panicking. So I'll be answering these questions. Should I be scared of losing the money? No, you shouldn't be scared of losing the money. And yes, it will take time to recover, and these mutual funds will sell the assets or underlying assets, whatever they have invested in, and recover the money to the proper face value. They won't sell it at the very discounted rate or something, and they'll get a good after the COVID-19 situation recovers, and with proper value they'll sell the assets, underlying assets, and give the money back to the investors. So should I be scared of losing money? No, but will you get the full invested amount along with interest? That's doubt. You might know, you may or may not get the full amount. So don't be scared of losing money, but if you invested 1 lakh, you may or may not get the full 1 lakh. So that's one thing. Will it happen to all the debt funds in the market? No, it may not happen to all the debt funds, but the regulators, RBI, SBI, many banks and all will come forward, and they will try to rescue, and do not worry, nothing will happen. But few of the funds are little bit risky, and but still don't worry, don't start to remove all the funds amount from your debt mutual funds, but it will not affect to all the debts mutual fund, but be cautious. Other question which I want to address is that will it affect the other mutual funds of the same AMC or the Franklin Templeton mutual fund? No, it won't affect that much, but these are the six funds which little they couldn't manage, and it was for their best interest to put an end to the mutual fund. So that's it. Please like and share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to my channel. And if there is any doubt or you want to address some other question from the same mutual fund, I will be happy to help you. Please comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot.